In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Twitter to Notion to save tweets and threads. Open Twitter and open Save to Notion page, and under pinned comments here they have given clearly how to save tweets and threads to Notion. Click on this pinned tweet, and first thing what we need to do is we need to duplicate the tweets database. You need to open this link. At the top right you have duplicate option. Click on duplicate. Now log into Notion. Now we have successfully duplicated the tweet database. The tweet database is showing in my Notion page. Now open Save to Notion page in Twitter and you need to DM. Click on message and you need to type /connect. Hit enter. After sending the message you will get the link to authenticate this process. Click on the link. Now choose the workspace and after that click on select pages. Now you need to select tweets database. Click on allow access. If the connection is successful, you will get this message connected successfully. You can save tweets and threads. Now let's open Notion. Here you can see the tweets database. Now we have successfully established the connection. If you want to save any threads or tweets, you need to use @save to Notion in the comments, and also you need to use these hashtags. If you are saving the tweet, you need to use hashtag tweet. If you are saving the thread, you need to use this hashtag thread. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.